Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to use or open WhatsApp and you will see that WhatsApp is not working properly or keeps crashing, I will help you. How can you fix this? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if your connection is weak, then you need to change your internet. And guys, after this you need to go back. And if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, now you need to scroll it down. From here you need to click on general, and after this you need to set your date and time on automatically. And after this you need to disconnect your VPN if connected. And now guys, you need to scroll it down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And after this you need to go back, and guys, from here you need to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, you have to open your app store in your iPhone, and here you need to search WhatsApp. After searching it, open WhatsApp here and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings again, click on general and click on iPhone storage, and after this you need to find here WhatsApp. After finding it, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.